Celebrities and those who love the luxurious lifestyle always know the best places to stay. And with amenities like outdoor solariums and whirlpool bathtubs with a view, it's easy to see why Las Vegas suites hit the sweet spot. Come on, let's check it out. This is the Chairman's Suite at Bellagio. It's 4,075 square feet of pure luxury. You can relax under a rainforest Swiss steam shower and reach for your towel that's been waiting for you on the Terry Towel Warmer. This is bathroom luxury at its best, overlooking the beautiful fountains of Bellagio. Taking a soak in this whirlpool therapeutic bath is like visiting a spa for a day. This stunning formal dining room sits 8 comfortably, and for that intimate evening with your guests, the full-service sunken bar is perfect. And get this, there's 24-hour butler service. Thank you, Maria.
Enjoy.
Thanks. For those needed quiet moments, you can always escape to the solarium to kick back and read a book. With stunning views, spectacular service, and amenities to die for. I know where I'm going to stay next time I'm in Las Vegas.